Good morning, sir.
Hey, Alan, how are you?
Can you?
Fine, thank you.
All right,
At least
good.
I'm back. I'm back at home in the Eastern Cape.
Oh,
Last
okay,
week ago.
cool.
Yes,
Where are you
yes.
based?
Cannon Rocks, Eastern Cape.
Where's that?
Close to Kenton on Sea.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, so I'm actually almost in the middle, and Port Alfred. Yeah, I'm almost in the middle between Port Elizabeth and East London, if you can say that.
Okay, cool. So you're down the road from me.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, well, via Transkei, it's quite a long way.
Okay, cool. So you're in property, and you said you've got other interests. What other interests do you have?
Yeah, yeah. I'm in the property, everything actually in property, from management to a bit of development and rental sales. And then also I'm an insurance broker, short-term insurance broker.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes,
All right,
yes,
cool.
yes.
And how long have you been with me?
And then this round is about 7 months now, 7 months, 8 months. But I did trade the other currency pairs about 2 to 3 years ago
Not with me.
with you, but that was the previous EA. And yeah, that time around, I was still coming off the Aussie 40 trading, and I was still a cowboy. But now, yeah, I just last year also when I started now with you again, was in that beautiful October November problem we had.
Yes.
I
Trump.
thought maybe the horses throw me off again,
Normal.
but yeah, I survived.
It's normal. Okay, so listen, at the bottom of Google Meet is a square with an up arrow.
Yes.
Firstly, go to your FX Blue account. Is it open?
My FX Blue account. Let me see. I think it's open. Yes. On my phone or on my
Have you joined on? You've
computer?
joined on your phone. Do you want to join on your
Yes.
PC to make it easier?
We can. We can.
Okay.
Are you gonna send it to me? Must I open my WhatsApp on my PC?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let me just
And then
quickly
I'll
get
add
there.
you here, and then
Normally
and
not
then you can
open on
get
the
off
PC.
your phone if you want.
Okay.
Otherwise, it'll
No, no,
echo.
no. Okay. I'll get off the phone now. See
Okay.
now.
Okay.
And select FX Blue.
And click select FX Blue. Cool.
Can you see it?
I did see it, and then you cancelled the share, I think. Okay, cool. So you've got it up there.
Yes.
All right. Go to the top. 229 days. That's awesome.
Okay. What do you want to see here?
Let's see right at the top. Let's see your graph. Okay. That's fantastic. All right. So you've got $6,767 in your account. Your
Yes.
closed profit is 6,482. Scroll down a bit. And you've made an accumulative profit of 125% in 229 days.
That's it.
So just
Yeah, that.
okay, so the drawdown of 45% you say happened during October, November, December, January when gold started to
Yes.
nosedive
Yeah.
as it does every year.
Yeah, the drawdown I've got now, a bit of a drawdown I see last night or just before of last week. End of last week, we had a bit of a fall in the market, but we knew about the all-time high. And yeah, but I'm hedged on one at this stage. The others are just going on nicely. Our protection is in place, and I'm happy.
Okay, good.
Not in stress at all.
Good. So what have you learned from last time round to this time round?
I think to be conservative, start small and
Rihanna, you there?
just take it each at a time. And can you hear me?
Sorry, you broke up. Can you repeat that?
Yeah. Yeah, so just if you scale up, do it small, and then even if $5 a day is $5 you didn't have,
Yeah.
$10 a day is $10 you didn't have. And yeah, this EA is incredible. It's really incredible. I enjoy the features, but I had to. I started correctly. I feel by going through the settings multiple times before I started trading, because I see you can blow your account very easy if you do not set up correctly.
Yeah,
And for me, it's
100%.
a
If you
very
switch off,
stressful.
if you set up your hedge functionality incorrectly or your equity protector incorrectly, for sure you can blow your account.
Yeah, but it takes some time, Alan. People are in a rush. It takes some time to learn what the EA does,
Absolutely.
and I think you're so hungry to make money, that you forget that you need to first see what it does, and you say it a lot. Set up and start small and see what the EA does in all the situations.
Yes.
But truly, with the last, I haven't even touched the last new hedge fail safes and stuff that you put on the last time. And what I wanted to say the previous time, if you start the EA up from my side and you just keep go through the videos and just set up as the videos are now. You don't have to use every setting, but you will definitely make money.
Definitely.
Will definitely make a success of it if you start small. And then also, um, you do need a bit of extra capital. You need to be ready for the maximum, because when you start, you've got an expectation of what you want to make, and it gets easy the first, second, third weekend. You bump up your account, or you bump up your lot sizes, and then you get burned very quickly
Very.
because you don't understand all the settings and how they kick in certain situations when the market turns against you. Or yeah, well, it was happy days the last 2 to 3 months. It was really happy days, and the last 2 to 3 weeks. But I think the all-time high is an important thing. You need to know that it will touch it and then just correct it a bit. So that last setting you are proposing is a good thing to reduce lots at that certain point where it's an all-time high, just to wait it through a bit. So yeah, your experience in this is very valuable.
I think
But the
it's the
EA
experience
is
of all the
really
traders because, the contribution from the other traders, experienced traders, asking for
mm,
various different settings is very valuable.
yeah, yeah.
How do you
And
like the community, Rian?
uh, I think I think we're all afraid to ask questions. I don't know why. It seems like the question we want to ask, we don't know if we're gonna type a 4-page paragraph to try and explain what we are seeing on our side.
Yes.
So yeah, when you have that Discord sessions, that really helps a lot.
Yeah.
That really helps a lot. And it's difficult to see where every person is on their journey of trading. I've been trading for I started more than 15 years ago on the LC40, but I've got burned so many times. It's difficult. And now I think the new guys that get in, they're very keen, but that first time they get hedged, and the account is at 70 or 80% drawdown, the guys give up very easily because it's painful to lose money,
Yeah, of
and
course.
they're afraid to get on the horse again. But I can assure you, if you get back on, get your lot sizes down and understand the EA, give it some time, give it a month or three or four maybe, and you start getting an appetite for your risk, for your own risk,
Mm.
and the appetite, all the settings you get under your knees, yeah, on the EA.
So I think you're right. So, for me, it's like you go through that knowledge and then you give up. What's the point of that? I mean,
That's the
the
thing.
whole point of learning is to fail, and that's the only way you can succeed is to fail. So
Yeah.
I like that
And
statement of fail forwards.
yes, yes. I think just think, guys, need to accept that there is a fee for getting this or getting this right. There's we are going to make mistakes. If it was easy, then everybody would have done it. We would all be
100%.
trillionaires. So I
100%.
think I think if a guy gets into and he says he's got a $500 account, he should have $500 spare,
Yeah.
just to just the learning curve, get through those first 3 4 months, get through these major quick moves down, just to absorb it a bit. After that, I'm confident, um, I'm confident anybody can make money. This EA is really impressive.
Well, you've been using it for a while, so
Yeah.
you come from
Yeah,
it.
the second problem I had, and I've stopped it immediately, is to do manual trades. Um, with that AI configuration that said if you bother now, if you put in manual trades, you are busy changing the EA's working in the back
Yes,
because and now it's working out. If you use the Allen calculator, and if he does it, work it out itself, your margin levels and everything. So no, I would do small trades if I get bored, but I'll rather not. And if I do a trade, I'll do like say 2 or 3 lots max, and just to gain a bit momentum if the market is slow, and I can identify that there's a reversal, trend reversal, and that's all. That's all I'll do. I really like the EA, and if you take control, then the EA is useless.
yeah,
If you wanna trade manually, you're gonna bug it up. If you want to trade manually, I should say open your own account or another account and then do that. You'll be sorry
100%.
very quick if you don't know what's happening in the markets, because you won't teach the market. The market will teach you a lesson.
Exactly. And so if if you came across a person that was sitting on the fence, what would you advise them? In or out?
I would definitely advise them to give it a go and you can make a living. You can make a great living with trading. And the EA is automated. If everybody says, yeah, you can trade. When I started, you can trade with the amount of money. You only need 15 minutes or half an hour a day, and see if you could. It doesn't work like that, because life goes on. This is a system that you can live on and monitor and make sure your settings are right. And it's not 100% hands off, because if it was, then everybody would have been doing it. So you need to understand it, maybe tweak your settings now and then, and you need to understand what's going on in the markets outside, because you can't just sit back. If you wake up tomorrow and something happens and Donald Trump sneezes, then we've got trouble. So you just need to be vigilant. But yes, working from your phone, from your PC, is really a pleasure.
Do you own your own rental properties?
Yes,
You do.
yes, yeah, rental sales, management.
But your own. Do you own your own properties that you rent?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
what would you like? What's better?
At this stage, that could be a long question or a short one. Answer. Um, if you buy the wrong property, you've got problems, and there's always risk. The risk in properties is major. Tenant not paying you for 3 months, levies going up, special levies being instigated, municipal services. The accounts are really increasing with no service. Sorry to say that.
So let me ask you a different question. Okay, so how long have you had your rental properties?
Just over 20 years now.
Okay, so you'll know over X period that you've made X amount of passive income, which we'll talk about in a few seconds. So which investment do you think brings in more passive income and easier to manage?
For sure, the trading, definitely.
So I want to touch on the passive income aspect. You know, people have got this illusion that there's such a thing as passive income. I don't think there's such a thing as passive income. I think there's a thing such as annuity income, and it's not 100% passive. I think everything is annuity based and can never be 100% passive, because you need to either manage your tenant, or your property, or both. And if you don't, then you'll lose your property. I think the same applies in any business, trading,
Yes.
whatever monetary investment you have, that if you don't manage it, you will lose that investment. Can you agree with that?
Yes.
So you agree with the concept of if you leave your property or your tenant, you may lose the property, even if you give it to a broker. or a managing agent
Yes,
to manage. If you don't manage the agent, you're going to lose either the
100%.
property or the tenant.
I'm in the game. I'm in the game, that's what happens. At the end of the day, many people fall into the pit. They buy property. It's another story to get a bond, firstly, and it's not cheap. And the responsibility and all the interest at the end of the day is, anyways, you must buy the right one. And then secondly, they just want their rent. That's all they want.
Yeah.
And after 2 years, the property is actually
Depreciating.
Build the property because and that is the truth. Definitely, you need to manage it, and you need to manage the agents also. Yes.
Yeah, 100%. Well, I really appreciate your time. Thanks, Riaan, and enjoy the robot. Got some excellent settings coming up now. Did you see my post on Discord about chart number 5?
Yes, I'm gonna check. Was it this morning?
Yeah.
I'm gonna check it now.
Okay, cool. Go check on Alan EA Trading Strategies. Got something exciting there for you guys.
Yeah, I can't wait, Alan, and I'm enjoying it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see each other for lots of years.
100%. Thanks, Riaan. Take care. Have a great day.
Thanks, mate.
We'll chat soon.
You too.
Okay. Ciao. Bye.